Alright, so we got this guy here, this hunk of aluminum, which doesn't have much weight to it, less than an ounce. So we're talking about a couple of pennies for this. Obviously this green board is probably not going to give any weight, so put this in your gold recovery if you want. And we have a copper bearing motor, which I usually get about 20 cents a pound, so that's a good 15-ish cents right there at 10 ounces, or almost 10 ounces. So we're up to like 12 or so cents. Let's see here, we got some wire, which I'm assuming is not gonna be much either. So again, less than an ounce, so a couple of more pennies there. I'm not even sure if it's a couple of pennies. Then we got all the steel stuff. Put it all little bits in there. Everything counts, screws, everything. I usually don't bother with anything that's metal. Or not metal, I should say, steel. I don't have the space to like hold on to it, so I just pass it on to the next scrapper. So we got about 3 ounces there. So a really good estimate would be about, oh, we forgot this. There you go, we got to a pound, so that's about 10 cents of steel. So we're talking about 30 cents worth of scrap here, but it was fun seeing the insides of a drill. So this stuff here, I'm gonna keep it for my fellow scrappers that come by here once in a while. Who collects steel. Grab this wire stuff, put it in my wire box. Put this guy with the aluminum, which I have a lot of.